मार्केट में एक बहुत ज़्यादा वायरल प्रोडक्ट चल रहा है विच इज़ दिस Maybelline's Nude BB cream. I'm gonna talk about each and every point about this cream, whether you should buy it or not. It's up to you. But yes, do watch this video before making up your mind. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and whatever you have just seen in the trailer is actually the truth and the sense of the video. So I'm gonna talk about this new launch which is Maybelline's BB cream in detail. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm sure at this point आप लोगों ने इतना ज़्यादा वीडियो और इसका मार्केटिंग देख लिया हो कि आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रेन वॉश हो चुके हो. The truth is I was sent these shades, but जो मुझे वीडियो देनी थी वो मैं दे चुकी हूँ. I am gonna talk honestly about this in this video, so आप please इस वीडियो को skip मत करो. You have to watch this and I'm gonna share everything in detail. Okay, they say that this is a BB cream and इसका बहुत सारा claims है. जैसे कि अगर मैं इसका formulation पे claim करूँ, so they say that it's based on 90% skincare. It also have niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. वैसे तो हम लोग को इतना नॉलेज अब हो ही गया है, इतना सारा देख देख के कि हाइलुरोनिक एसिड एंड नियासिनामाइड ग्लो के लिए होता है एंड प्लम्पनेस के लिए होता है. एंड आई गेस कुछ मंथ्स पहले एक लॉरियल का ये स्किन टेंट निकला था which was also marketed on the basis of hyaluronic serum. That's not the case. Concept was also very similar, which was hyaluronic serum and the glow and dewy finish. That was a skin tint and this is a BB cream. For some reason, I'm pretty sure that you guys are not aware कि L'Oreal के अंडर ही Maybelline है. That means they are sisters, not exactly competitors. तो जो भी formulation है and all, it does not create any contrast, but the product is totally different. L'Oreal जो है वो थोड़ा सा और mid range की तरफ है. However, Maybelline जो है वो थोड़ा affordable है. So if I talk about this particular thing, this has 25 ml of the product and ये रिटेल करता है 429 रुपीज़ का, which I'm pretty sure you will get in a lot of discount under rupees 400 also. You guys can definitely get this if you are planning on to buy this. First let's talk about the claims. किन लोगों ने क्या claim किया है. It gives 24 hours of hydration. Okay, but the thing is अगर आप कोई BB cream लगा रहे हो तो 24 hours आप अपने face पे थोड़ी रखोगे. There will be a time where you will give it a lot of break, and I think 24 hours एक बहुत ज़्यादा exaggerated claim है because I don't think so I'm gonna keep it on my face for 24 hours. Yes, 6 hours, 8 hours is still fine, but more than that, I don't think so I'm gonna keep this. Claim that it gives an immediate glow finish. Yes, I agree with it. It has a lot of dewiness and you guys can see, and this is a glow. कोई highlighter नहीं है, कोई illuminator नहीं लगाया है. This is just the BB cream and थोड़ा सा blush. And this is a true claim. The next claim is that it gives a medium coverage. To be very honest, I am pretty much satisfied with the coverage that it provides because बहुत मीडियम कवरेज तो ये डेफिनेटली देता है, बहुत श्योर भी नहीं है. एंड BB क्रीम, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एज अ BB क्रीम, आई फील BB क्रीम से बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज इसने दिया है. So I'm totally agreeing with this claim. The next thing that they have mentioned is it has 90% of skincare. तो आई वुड से, जैसे मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया, लॉरियल एंड मेबलिन का ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है बहुत सिमिलर है स्किन केयर बेस्ड मेकअप का. सो आई अग्री विद इट क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे हाइड्रेटिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स एक्चुअली है. सो यू गाइस कैन सी माई फेस, इट लुक्स हाइड्रेटेड, राइट? बट द कैच इज नॉट हाइड्रेशन, इट इज मोर देन दैट. The catch here is that it's overly hydrating. Trust me when I say this. I'm gonna talk about this in this video in a while, but before that, let's just talk about the shades. So this particular product comes in 9 different shades, okay, which I feel like I'm not very excited about because I couldn't find my shade. Okay, I was expecting कि मुझे एक shade मिलेगा जिसमें मैं लगा सकती हूँ, but to my surprise I had to mix 2 shades to get this particular thing. Okay, I have 3 shades with me and I'm gonna swatch all of it and talk about it in detail. I have like 3 shades, 50, 55 and 70. Talk about the shade 50. It is very cool toned and it does not suit me at all. So 50 is something which is for someone who has cool toned and fair skin. Now when I talk about 55, इसका जो टोन है, it is more like a warm cool undertone and it is good for medium skin tone but not for me. Like I'm more like into medium tan kind of skin and I have 70 with me. 70 is more like a darker shade. It has warm undertone, and this is way dark for me, like way deeper for me. When I talk about the packaging of this, let me be very honest, I'm not a very big fan of the packaging, okay? Maybelline जैसा ब्रांड अगर हमें ऐसा पैकेजिंग दे रहा है, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विथ इट. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट सम अदर ब्रांड्स, बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल इंडियन ब्रांड्स है, वो बहुत अच्छी पैकेजिंग हमें दे सकते हैं. सेम प्रॉब्लम लॉरियल के साथ भी हुई थी. उनका वो ड्रॉप वाला एप्लीकेटर था एंड इट वाज सो मेसी. सेम थिंग हैपेंड विथ मी. मैंने शायद अगर आपको प्रेस भी नहीं कर रही थी, बट ये फाउंडेशन अपने आप ही जा रहा था बाहर. अभी भी अगर मैं ओपन करती हूँ तो आप देखो, इसका फाउंडेशन अपने आप ही बह रहा है. तो ये ना बहुत, ये देखो अपने आप ही बह रहा है बाहर, एंड दिस विल जस्ट फ्लो. आई एम नॉट इवन प्रेसिंग इट, ट्रस्ट मी. आई एम गोना होल्ड इट हियर एंड दिस विल फ्लो आउट. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी मेसी पैकेजिंग. बहुत बेसिक सा इनका लेबलिंग है एंड यहाँ पे बहुत लिमिटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन है. अग्रीड कि इसमें हम ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑब्वियसली नहीं लिख सकते हैं, बट Maybelline, like, you can do better with packaging, okay? Quantity is fine considering the amount of ingredients that it has and everything. I feel like quantity is still good because ये BB cream का point ही है कि हम इसको लगाएं and ऐसा लगे कि we don't have anything, then we are good to go, right? ये बहुत ज़्यादा oxidize होता है. No, your skin will feel dark after a certain point of time. इसीलिए मैंने ये चीज़ note किया था कि मुझे मेरा shade नहीं मिला. Then what I did is I mixed 55 with 70 and I created my own shade, which was a warm olive shade. And trust me when I say I found my match. It was just blinding on my face perfectly. The shade match was amazing and it was gliding very smoothly. Now look at the shine and the glow that it has. Trust me when I say this, I love the formulation. I love the kind of dewiness that it gives. I love the way it covers. But when I talk about the application part, आप देख सकते हो कि मैं इसे ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से अप्लाई नहीं कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी इतना ज़्यादा थिन है कि ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर सब कुछ अब्जॉर्व कर लेगा. सो द बेस्ट टूल दैट यू कैन यूज़ फॉर दिस इज़ either your fingers or you can use a base brush, and trust me, I feel like it's covering pretty well. I'm pretty much satisfied with the coverage that it gives. It's easily blendable. You will not have a hard time blending this. Blends so smoothly, it glides like butter on your skin. And then I want to question here is how does it feel on your skin? Is that it is overly hydrating. Look at my skin, okay? I love the shine that it gives. I love the coverage that it have. But what about the tackiness that it gives? So first of all, ये तो ट्रांसफर प्रूफ है नहीं. आप अपना हैंड यहाँ पे लगाओगे, आपका पूरा फाउंडेशन आपके हाथ में होगा. Look, the foundation is here. Take this piece of tissue. This is a clean piece of tissue. Just so you guys know, I'm taking this clean टिश्यू पेपर एंड अभी मैं बता दूं कि मैंने अपना ब्लश और मेकअप कंप्लीट किया है, बट मैं इसको अपने फेस के अगेंस्ट प्रेस करूँगी एंड यू विल सी व्हाट इट डज. ठीक है, ये देखो इतना टैकी है, इतना ऑयली है दैट इट जस्ट डजंट फील गुड. इट फील्स टैकी, इट फील्स सो ऑयली ऑन योर फेस. लुक एट दिस इज हाउ इट ट्रांसफर्स. जैसे ही मैंने इसको हटाया यहाँ से, यू लीव दैट शाइन, राइट? So I feel this is a point which I am not liking because अगर आप यहाँ देखो जहाँ मैंने टिश्यू नहीं लगाया, I'm sweating like hell, ठीक है? So this is something which just makes me sweat a lot. And considering Indian weather, अगर आप गर्मियों में ये चीज़ लगा के बाहर जाने का सोच रहे हो, so I think you should rethink about your decision. You should reconsider this because clearly not for humid weather. This is not for summer or even monsoon season. I feel this is something which you can buy or use in winter season without a worry. Enjoy using it in winter season, but this is not for hot humid weather, and especially in India. Don't think about it. Now it's time to summarize everything together and give you a verdict. To be honest, I really liked the formulation. I am a huge fan of the liquidy texture that it has. I have dry skin, but trust me, this doesn't feel good on skin. I couldn't find my shade. डिपेंड्स कि आप क्या लगा रहे हो या कैसा आपका शेड है. कंसिडरिंग कि मुझे मेरा शेड नहीं मिला, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको ना मिले, बट थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी हो सकता है टू फाइंड योर शेड. Well, even if you're going to college, you can afford this, and especially try to buy it on sale. The quantity is satisfactory. Packaging is a no-no. Hey guys, this just leaks a lot and this becomes so messy. The application becomes so messy because the product just flows out of the tube and I don't like it at all. Issue. मैंने इतना पोछा है उस चीज़ को कि इतना ज़्यादा लीक किया है वो. Trust me, this is what I don't like, but the texture, the feel and everything is amazing. Okay, the last point, it is ideal for winter. It is not ideal for summer or monsoon, and especially for humid places. No. So just in case थोड़ा सा confusing लगा हो, मैं सारे points को नीचे description box में लिख दूंगी so that you can read, you can figure out what to do and what not. Considering all the pros and cons, I'm gonna rate it a 8 out of 10. With this, I'm gonna sign off for today. I'm gonna see you in another video very soon. Till then, bye.